So in today's video, we're going to be talking about signing thank you, you're welcome. Thank you. So you're going to use your dominant hand, closed 5, touch your chin, and then come out like this. Thank you. Thank you. Now for your welcome, I've seen several variations of this, and it can also depend on regional variations, preferences, and what we used growing up. With both of my parents being deaf, we used you're welcome. So you may see that as well. So with the hands in a closed 5, your index finger is going to touch your chin and then just kind of curve down to your chest. You're welcome. You're welcome. Some other variations that you might see are, instead of signing like you're welcome like this, people might say, give you a everything's good, thumbs up. That's what I feel like I most commonly use now. If somebody says thank you and I'm like, like that, meaning like no problem, no problem, or just, a-okay, thumbs up. Those are what people most commonly use nowadays. And I feel like maybe growing up we used you're welcome, and things change with sign language. So I just wanted to show you some of those variations that people may use when expressing the thought or feeling of you're welcome.